In this video, I'm showing you all the secrets to getting the most tender, succulent, flavorful chicken breast imaginable. There'll be crispy skin, juicy meat, and even a 3-minute sauce recipe that will blow your socks off. Now, let's focus on cooking the breast. First, dry the chicken with a paper towel if it's got any excess liquid on the surface, then let it come up to room temperature for about 30 minutes. This ensures an even cook and keeps the meat juicy. Cooking something straight from the fridge into a hot pan results in uneven cooking and will give you tough, dry meat. So this step alone will vastly improve your chicken. Trust me on this. Instead of oiling the pan, oil and season the meat directly. This reduces spitting fat, only uses the oil needed, and gives a much better sear. Preheat your pan to ensure it's evenly hot. We want that chicken to sizzle as soon as it hits the surface. This helps to stop it from sticking to the pan. Place the breast into the pan skin side down at first. For the first 30 seconds, gently press the skin into the pan to make sure the skin gets that perfect contact for maximum colour and crispiness. Don't forget to seal or brown the meat on all sides and edges. This extra step adds real depth in flavour. Next, transfer the pan into a preheated oven set at 180 Celsius, 355 Fahrenheit, with the breast facing skin side down. This helps to protect the delicate meat from drying out and continues to crisp up that glorious skin. If you remove the skin for any reason, consider placing a few slices of vegetables or herbs under the chicken to achieve the same effect. This is called a trivet. Cook the breast for 6 to 10 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 70 to 76 Celsius, 162 to 169 Fahrenheit. For thighs or drumsticks, aim for at least 80 Celsius, 176 Fahrenheit. For these tougher cuts, the extra cooking helps to ensure they fall off the bone. Now comes the most important part. Rest the meat for at least half the cooking time. Transfer it to a warmed plate and cover it in foil or place a bowl over the top of it. This crucial step allows the meat to relax and the juices to spread evenly throughout. It's still cooking and the internal temperature will rise to the perfect 76C, 169F. Don't waste that incredible fond at the bottom of the pan. It's a flavour sensation waiting to be transformed into a quick and delicious pan sauce. Add a small knob of butter, a lightly crushed clove of garlic with the skin on, and some herbs of your choice. I'm using parsley. Cook for 30 seconds or so, then sprinkle in a heaped teaspoon of flour and cook it out for 2 minutes. Now, deglaze with a splash of white wine or cider. Water works too if you don't want to use alcohol. Once the liquid has reduced and thickened, add some stock and simmer until you're happy with the flavour and the consistency. That's a basic pan sauce, literally a 3-minute sauce, and it's delicious. On my website, there's a full breakdown of how to do a pan sauce with different techniques, variations, and flavours. When it's time to slice and serve your breast, remember to slice against the grain. The meat fibres run from top to tail, and slicing against the grain gives you that tender, succulent mouthfeel. It's an absolute game changer for tougher cuts, but still makes a difference for tender cuts like chicken breasts. In the end, you'll have a perfectly cooked, juicy, succulent chicken breast just by following a few simple steps. And if you're looking for a new and exciting chicken recipe, go check this video out next.